Hi guys, and welcome back to The Real Me Naturally. Today we have something very interesting for you, a mystery mukbang, so stay tuned.
Hi guys, we are back again and we are doing a mukbang for you guys. Yes, I had to do this Christmas mukbang for y'all. Of course, as y'all can see, I'm wearing Dodie Do's Christmas hat. Yes. Really? Get into the mukbang for me, please. And as you can see, we have our beautiful Christmas tree right here. So yeah, let's get off into it. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm having. I'm having a Sonic chicken sandwich, which is delicious. I already started eating it, so I already said my verse, of course. So I'm just gonna start back eating. Now, are you gonna tell them what you have, Ariana?
Tater tots with chili and cheese.
Can we get some happiness up in here, please? Miss Ari? Y'all know she do this in every video. She just, I don't know what to do this right now. You look beautiful. Y'all, she had to get her hair done before she came on. Why don't you show them your hair? I guess she just not feeling the mukbang. So how was school today? Oh wow, I drunk the wrong thing. I'm so sorry. I know good and well. I know good and well you didn't do that. Really? Did she just do that? Just gonna blow me off like that? But I tell you, this sandwich is the bomb. Y'all got to try it. I said we
was
did
in the car and you was over here acting like you didn't want it.
my sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
What you mean I act like I didn't want it? Oh, when I was mad at my husband because he was supposed to buy me a wrap. Well, of course I was mad. I had my mouth all ready for a wrap, and then he gonna buy me a chicken sandwich. What you think? I'm gonna be happy about this?
Why you talking so loud? They're right there.
Okay, but anyway. But why'd you pick that? What you got around that little bitty thing? I mean, why?
Because I ain't hungry.
Okay, well, why'd you get it?
Because I wanted it.
Cause you wanted, y'all. What kind of sense does that make, y'all? But yeah, but when I tasted the sandwich, it was so good. I forgot all about the wrap that I had.
Mm-hmm.
So it's good. But yeah, we just picked Sonic tonight for y'all. Y'all know we did a y'all know.
You told me to tell them how my hair
Oh, okay, go ahead. Tell them about your hair now.
No, I can say the ponytail was ugly, like on the top.
Yours is pretty. What is wrong with you?
It's like my hair look big.
Why she always talking about herself when she come on here, y'all? She's a beautiful girl.
Edit that out.
I'm not editing
that out,
nothing.
for real.
What?
I would delete the video.
But your hair is so pretty.
Edit it out.
Stop getting attitude with me now. We ain't gonna do this no more, Ariana.
Can you please edit that out, please?
You want a piece of my sandwich?
No, I want you to edit that out.
Why I always gotta edit something? Oh, I asked you, do you want something? No, you just gonna take it?
Can you please edit that out, though?
Here.
I said that.
I'll see. I don't know.
Ponytail.
Dang. I didn't know you supposed to share your mukbang, y'all. I know good and well. You ain't blowing my stuff. I know good and well. Give my stuff back. Give her. And then took a big bite. Give my stuff back. Yeah. And then want 2 bites. I want all my sandwich.
No, I'm glad.
And the drink I'm drinking, y'all,
Yes.
ooh, a cherry lemonade. Ooh.
I didn't even get none.
I'm gonna eat that. Stop playing around with you, dude. Don't be doing that. I'm your mama.
You know what the deal?
Bye. Because I'm not through eating. No.
Please like and subscribe.
I am not through eating, okay?
Do it,
Huh, you want to come say hi?
I look like him, dude. Digging my nose. Edit that out.
Go, time go.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby.
Bye.
I'm not leaving. Why you always leaving this stuff? Come back. Oh,
I'm back.
I told you. She do this every time, y'all. So, tell me what you want for Christmas.
My $100 like I'm gonna get.
Did she just say $100, y'all. Am I hearing this correctly? You don't want no gifts, no toys, no baby
No,
dolls?
we don't do that.
No.
You just said what you said y'all gonna give us.
Okay, what? I want to get you a Barbie, though.
Do it look like I play with Barbie dolls?
I guess I'm trying to make you be a little girl again like you used to be. I'm going to tell y'all something.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm gonna cut it off. Stop. It's not funny.
Oh, you want me to? You want me to? Okay, sweetie. Okay. I'm in the middle of the camera now. Okay, baby, okay. Don't do it. Come back and sit down. I'll turn back. Now, I'm going to tell the crowd what you don't want me to tell.
What you mean?
Okay. Anyway.
Stop.
It ain't nothing but about your dolls, man. You was just hooked on babies. I'm trying to see. She always leaving me, y'all. I'm trying to finish, but she just loves up and leaves. But y'all have got to try this cherry lemon. It's a cherry frozen lemonade, and I'm telling you, this is the bomb. I used to get the strawberry frozen lemonade, but when I tasted this, I was like, oh my goodness, I have not bought the strawberry lemonade, frozen lemonade no more after I tried this. That stuff is awesome. And when I say awesome, I mean awesome, y'all. So I'm gonna finish my sandwich and everything. Oh Lord. Oh. Y'all, I think I was eating so fast and I bit my jaw, y'all. I hate when you bite your jaw. Or, like I'm trying to eat my sandwich, not my jaw. Ain't that something? But yeah. We just wanted to come and do a Christmas mukbang with y'all. How you doing? Oh, let me keep that to myself. But yeah. And I said, why not do a mystery mukbang for you guys? Nowhere, nowhere, born is the King of England. Oh, I started singing a little Christmas song for y'all real quick, you like? But I'm loving it. I'm kind of glad she ain't right here, y'all, because I'm enjoying my meat, my sandwich. And last time I was eating, y'all, she's like, you gotta smack? Do you gotta say, Now I can eat in peace. Just eat the way I want to eat. So I'm gonna do that. This sandwich is delicious. Are you gonna rejoin me? What? What? But anyway, I bit the mess out of my jaw, and I'm pretty sure
How you don't know?
that it's bleeding right now because it's
How you don't
hurting. Huh?
How you don't know?
I want you to join me again. So I'm gonna finish my sandwich and everything. Oh, why the food do that to you, y'all? I remember when I was little. Me and my brother and my sister sit at the table, and we'll get in this little mood. We'll say, and then Mama say, Y'all shut up all that noise. Y'all shut up. Y'all come, And then we got to the point where we couldn't stop. We just kept doing it. And she's like, I told y'all be quiet. I'm like, We just couldn't help it. Why the kids, when it's time to eat, they go dancing around. They just so excited, so happy, like, it's time to eat. And they get to singing, you know, to me, it's time to eat. We all did that. I'm pretty sure y'all did too. The food is so good. They tell you to eat to live, not to live to eat. Is that the way it goes? Man, I do a little bit of both. Food is just that good, y'all. I can't help myself. Food is too good. Oh, I'm sorry. I started dancing, didn't I? It was just so good, y'all. If y'all like this mukbang, please give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And we will bring you more. Happy holidays from the real me naturally and my daughter, Ariana.